4 clues to guess the card. What is it? This is Mark. This is English fluency practice. This is the card guessing game. I will give you 4 clues and you guess what is behind the card. In our last video, I gave you 4 clues. So today, let's find out what is behind the card, shall we? Okay, great. Here we go. The 4 clues are: Clue 1, it's a white liquid. It's a white liquid. Clue 2, it comes from animals like cows. It comes from animals like cows. 3, it's a good source of calcium. It's a good source of calcium. 4, it's used in cooking and for drinking. It's used in cooking and for drinking. Do you know what it is? Well, let's find out what it is. Here we go, drum roll. And it is milk. Yes, it's milk. It's white. It's liquid. It's white. Yes, it comes from cows. Animals like cows. I guess there's goat milk, right? Goat's milk. Maybe those are the 2 main types of milk we drink. Goat's milk and cow's milk. Yeah, I prefer cow's milk. It's a good source of calcium, right? Source mean where we could get it from. So where we can get it from. And so we can get calcium, which is good for your bones. We need calcium for our bones, and we can get it from milk. Yeah, it's a good source. It comes from milk. Calcium comes from milk. And it's used in cooking and for drinking. Of course, drinking and cooking, like if you're making soups, many soups include milk, and other recipes include milk. So we use it in cooking and for drinking. Yes, we do. Okay, great. All right. As you know, there's something else behind the card. I will give you 4 clues and you guess what is behind the card. The topic is be healthy. Yes, be healthy. Here we go. Clue number 1. It's an outdoor space with plants. It's an outdoor space with plants. 2. People often grow flowers or vegetables in it. People often grow flowers or vegetables in it. Clue 3. It can be small or large. It can be small or large. 4. It requires water and care. It requires water and care. What is it? Well, you have to come back for the next video for the answer to find out what is behind the card, okay? All right, so I appreciate that. Thank you very much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye. Thank you.
Okay, great job. And please don't forget to subscribe, and please ring that bell to get all my videos, and please join the channel. That would be fantastic. And for worksheets and flashcards, please check out my website, markkulek.com. And I have a Patreon page. There you can download worksheets that we do in our live stream classes. So please go to Patreon, check out those worksheets. Okay, thanks so much. I will see you next time. Take it easy. Bye.